officially wanapandisha makofi mazuri hivi na wachezaji wa mito. Asante sana, this is wonderful. Basi kufikia hapo naomba keki rudi hapa mbele.
Mentoring of this development of this plan.
In being there, one of the ladies stood up and she was like, "Governor, you came here 2020 when we had this disaster of the landslide. Then you were big. What is happening? You have reduced significantly. Is it that these people, they have been disturbing you?" I understand. It's not easy, but we are there. We're making sure we're going to deliver for our people. Allow me, the Chairperson Water, Environment and Energy Committee, Madam Beatrice, the only one. She's the only woman elected.
I clap for you.
She's the only one elected in Kisii and Nyamira. That's why she calls herself the only one. Indeed, you are the one. Yes. The MCA Bombaba Ward, the County Executive Committee members who are present, WASCO board members, what do you call it? Lake Victoria, South Representative Madam Karibu, the MDs, I've seen the Migori, Kericho, Karibuni Sana, honorable members of the County Assembly, Mheshimiwa Chira, who is with us here, the county government officials, Kisii and Nyamira. I didn't see the Nyamira officials who are with us. Nobody recognized. Nyamira, they are there. There is one who is representing them. Thank you. And you know there is a problem. And that problem we need to be able to. You know, sometimes when the baby the baby has grown up, decides to marry, and is forcing the father or the mother to get married, what do? Do you stop them? No, you tell them to go engage, seduce the girl, or seduce the boy, go ahead and get married. Therefore, if our brothers in Nyamira again they want, they are big enough. They can walk on their own. We'll definitely help them get married. We'll bring all the gifts at the time of the wedding. Therefore, tell them we have no problem. Let them join with us until then, when they have gotten their own house to settle in. Therefore, our partners, I'm happy you're saying, the representative, my brother, thank you. This is not the first time we're meeting. We've met before. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm grateful for the opportunity to join you in launching the strategic plan for Gusii Water and Sanitation Company, WASCO, today. First, let me congratulate the board, the management and all persons who contributed to the formulation of the WASCO Strategic Plan 2023 to 2028 for your hard work, commitment and progressive ideas. The strategic plan and the business plan we are launching today is within the blueprint around which we intend to make access of water and sanitation services a reality to the people of Gusii, both Kisii and Nyamira counties, especially in the urban areas. I'm aware that the WASCO strategic plan has been carefully developed by considering the operational environment of both counties and charting our strategic focus to deliver on our mandate and Kenya's development aspiration and agenda. This document is a critical communication tool to our internal and external public, which empowers staff, strategic partners, and the stakeholders at large on what they can hold as WASCO accountable for. Importantly, the national and county journey towards widespread prosperity involves building of a just and cohesive society that enjoys equitable social development in a clean and secure environment under the social pillar. WASCO and the partner counties are implementing flagship projects under the social pillar, namely foundations, for social and economic transformation aligned to Kenya Vision 2030. In this frontier, the strategic plan being launched today shall propel the social pillar aiming to improve the quality of life for Kenyans by targeting a cross-section of human and social welfare projects and programs. Effective implementation of this plan requires adequate resources. To note, while the resources allocated are by no means little, they are hardly adequate to facilitate effective execution of WASCO mandate. I therefore call upon our partners, and we want to thank once more USA and other partners. I want to call upon our partners to assist in bridging this gap in order for us to realize even better results. I wish to particularly recognize the effort of county government of Kisii and Nyamira, development partner USA, government agencies, the Victoria South Water Works, development agencies, Water Sector Trust Fund, and the non-governmental organizations and the general public for your continued support to WASCO. My appeal to all of you is to ask you guys to work with us through this 5-year journey and beyond, as we all seek to serve this great nation and our counties. On behalf of the county and the WASCO, we commit to actively implement the strategic plan and the business plan and provide the required leadership guidance. As I conclude, I take note that the WASCO strategic plan envisages a vision of being sustainable and accessible, safe water and sanitation service provider, with a mission to innovatively provide safe water and sanitation services to meet the expectation of our stakeholders. I take this opportunity to ask WASCO strive to deliver its mandate effectively for the sake of our customers' satisfaction. We have had complaints of unreliable water supplies from customers and there are cases of leakage in our urban areas, leading to an increase in percentage of non-revenue water. I hope that with the strategic plan in place, this will be adequately addressed. At the same time, I commend the WASCO management for the remarkable improvement in revenue collection from when I came to the office and made it possible that the board was in place and dealt with some cartels who were there, that you improved, and our partners and our boss, like Victoria, you can definitely accept that we did cap the runaway corruption at WASCO then. Now that they improved from 7 million to 21 million in the last 19 months. Equally, I could have gotten into it, start with the partners here, all the people in the company, then I start getting a million from there or 2 million. Then I leave every person to get. As a result, WASCO today has a new team which join them as staffs who are working there. I know there is a good number of people who are employed. That's what exactly we wanted as a people. Of course, there was positions from every quarter on how to get into WASCO, and WASCO, it was, seen as a lucrative venture where people would want to pocket money. It will not happen unless when I'm not in the office. I urge you to seal all loopholes to help raise more revenues to make WASCO self-brand, especially in the settling of electricity bills and the operation expenditure. On matters of electricity, given that the bills are always high and at times affecting water supply due to electricity disconnections at our treatment plant, my administration is set to establish a solar plant to help address that issue. While I'm sitting here, I've just thought through that Kenya Power has become a nuisance. There is no way that they can always go to Kigati and disconnect power for essential service, whereas they have not been paying to the county the leeways. I want to direct the Minister for Finance that write to them, we want also them to pay our debts. Because there is no way they can always, if there is even somebody goes to a certain constituency, a member of parliament, puts a street lighting, then we are billed as a county. They don't disconnect that line. They come to Treasury where we are operationalizing. They switch it off. They go to WASCO, they switch off. Tell them, tuheshimiane. Kama wanataka wacha wafunge kwingine, lakini sio mahali maji ama hospitali where we are getting essential services. They owe us close to 500 million. Na lazima tutafute a debt collector, aende atafute hiyo pesa, atuletee, tuwalipe, na wao walipe, na sisi tuwalipe, na sisi tuwalipe. Other is to sort out that one, because najua kwamba tutakuwa na vita na wao. Ile kitu tutafanya, Madam MD, I think I've asked you before, that check, engage somebody to give us solar, to help us pump the water. Data ya maji inapigwa, naika kwa maji, tuachane na mambo ya Kenya Power. Both Kisi and Nyamira, I want to ask you, my brother from Nyamira, yes, have you sent any money in it? Because we are paying, and you want to walk away. I wish my colleague was here. We have a big problem, but everything is left for Kisi. But then, given that we are the big brother, we must take care of our brother who is the young brother.
Thank you.
That's our responsibility. Kwa hivyo tutaendelea kulipa. I'm happy, Madam MD. I saw yesterday I approved that 10 million for paying all the debts for Kenya Power. Again, we will not be disconnected. But as we are doing that, our Angwana wapewe demand note, but na sisi watulipe, and ask the county attorney's office to do everything for us to be able to get our money. Good people want to live there.